this one. They are putting retaining walls. Nay, move back. It's so deep, so steep. See? They're putting these retaining walls here. Wow. That is so deep. It does not look like too deep in the camera, but it's very deep. And here's the road going to our town. Going to Hagna. Here's Trevor and Nanay. We are going home. There's a house there. Used to be Lolo's farm, Lolo's land. And going to our house. Our house is there. So this is on top of the hill. They call this the highest peak in Bohol. This is the highest peak. We're setting up the microwave. Oven toaster is different. This is microwave.
This is a microwave.
1,000 watts. That's nanay there. Kuan na ka, tudloan na ka. Ah, we need to put it down.
Yeah, 'cause
Okay.
I can't lift it out of this box
Okay.
where it's out here.
No, ano sawag na. That's Kuya Lito. Hi, Kuya Lito. Yeah, he is installing.
Let it fall.
Kuya Lito is the electrician ka, Kuya, no? Electrician.
That is your uncle.
Sana may
Si nang Christy sugat kay ako magtagsa.
Kamo.
Ako
Kasi,
magtagor ha. Pagkumang ko na kay kanya. Sa idagawan.
kami makoy.
Si Gina kita.
Kamo igagaw.
Si Manang Jima.
Gina ug ako
Short, very short.
Si Gina. Odi
That's what I was worried about.
We'll just put it there, close to the island.
Yeah, but I don't
Close
think
to
it's
the
going to
island.
reach.
I think it will. We'll try.
We may need 2 or 3 blocks.
Oh, yeah.
Lolo og si tatay ni
And that's where we put the outlet. Because, hold on. We put the outlet here.
Lolo ni
We're still renovating the house.
Lolo
So, it's still a mess here. There. That's the old house. Oh, that's old. There. Where's the wire? And it's in there.
Input voltage selector. We're inputting 240.
To 110.
This is 240's going in, 110's coming out.
Okay. Oh, na kay pasabot na ako nito. Na di setting pa nag-out ni sa day.
Oh, naa. Kani. Kani siya. Na ingon siya diri 110.
Shot.
110 siya diri.
Tama.
Alright, well, let's see if it
Yeah.
works. I'm gonna make a bag
Kani
of
siya nay.
popcorn.
Ay kani.
Yeah. Nay kani siya nay, dinhi gina siya ha. Ayaw na diri. Nya ayaw na to isibog.
Kaya na may una.
Oh.
Kaya di kami na.
We'll try the popcorn.
So okay, converter pa rin siya.
135. Alright, we'll see.
Uwan man ni dai.
Ayaw pa nga ha.
Una na.
Kay nagkuan.
Wa na ni, wa di na magsibog-sibog na.
So pasagda na siya na kung kana siya nagamit nga ubin kay 110 mo siya. Imagine mga 17 kuno rin.
Ha?
17,000
Kani?
Philippine money, Philippine peso.
Kaya pila man ni sa dollar?
300 kuno.
Dollar?
300.
Pero din yan ha, 17,000.
Okay. Usahay ato dani mo 60 mo 50.
Karon kaya di ba 70?
Di eh, layo lang sa 20.
Dito lagi sa kuan day. May tubang kay.
Yo. Oh.
Microwave popcorn. Wow, it's hot.
There you go.
We'll try it.
Try. Lami?
It doesn't taste as good as that though. You try.
Okay.
Oh my god. It's easy to work.
Lami relit, lami.
Easy for the cook.
Lami na eh?
Yep.
Lami.
Lami. More love.
More. This is enough. Oh, I thought you want me to pop more
No, more.
popcorn.
Eat more.
No need.
Well, now we need TV so we can watch a movie.
Yeah.
No need getting a firewood.
No.
No firewood. Kuya will try eating it. Try, Kuya.
Well, you gotta wash your hands first.
Yeah, he is washing his hands. So, it works. The
Kana siguro
microwave,
Mga
the converter, plug here.
pila ka po ng oven dai.
Go ahead, eat up.
How much was this, love? How much does the oven?
The microwave.
The microwave?
$69.
69.
How about this?
69
Yeah, the microwave was $69.
This one is 69 times 50.
That there was
300.
almost $300.
Yeah.
300 plus 69.
69.
Pila kada rata na.
We'll say 369 times 50.
Delicious.
369.
Yeah.
You multiply.
Where's your
Wait, tatagmat.
Use calculator.
Yeah, oh yes.
369 times 50.
69 plus
10 o plus
300.
100
equals
equals
369. 369.
times 50 lang ta.
50 lang.
18,450.
I don't know if it'll run this or not, love.
We'll see.
What is the wattage on this?
225.
No, the wattage. Hang on.
60?